Next, till now we discussed about linear equations, how they form and how the solution form based upon the coefficient relation, and some problems also we discussed. Now we discussed about the solution, but how can we find that solution? Means to find that solution, what are the methods we have? Suppose if you have the pair of linear equation is of the form, for an example we have taken, we substituted some x equal to y equal to 1, we are getting simultaneously true for both cases. That's why we say that it is a unique solution. But this solution x equal to y equal to 1, how can we get, how can we know, means how we know that directly we have written suppose. But how can we know, means to find that we have methods, means that is nothing but next topic is solution of a pair of linear equations. That solution can be find the methods algebraic method and a graphical method, and also one normal method is also there, that is normal model. But in this topic we discussed about algebraic method and graphical method. So in this algebraic method also we have two. What are they? One is substitution method and elimination method. Let us discuss those. Now we are discussing about algebraic method. Next, in that first one is substitution. Suppose consider the same previous equations, 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So what are the steps in this substitution method? Let us discuss. For 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Let us see here. So how can we find by the substitution method? Means substitution, the name itself has the meaning. Substitution means we have to put substitute. Isn't it no substitute? What is that substitute mean? We have to substitute one variable with the help of other variable. That is the meaning here. Means represent one variable in terms of the other variable. Here generally we have two variables, either represent x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Suppose the given equation, let us take them as equation 1 and equation 2. So let us see here, from 1, if you observe here, 2x plus y minus 5 equals 0 is the first equation. In this, I am giving y as it is to the left side, then after equal part, transposing 2x and 5 to opposite side. Now if I transpose, plus 2x become minus 2x and minus 5 become plus 5. That plus 5 I am getting here, 5 minus 2x. Now if we observe, y is in terms of x, that is the meaning of substitution. Are you following? First step is express one variable in terms of the other variable. Then after that, substitute the obtained result in another equation, not in the original one. It is obtained from what? First equation. Then we have to substitute in second equation. So substitute y in equation 2. So what is that? 3x minus 2y. Y value is what we have obtained, 5 minus 2x. In place of y we have written. And next minus 4 equals to 0. This is second step. Mean first express one variable in terms of another. Then substitute that result in another equation. Okay na? So, but why we have preferred only one? Why don't we prefer two? If we have that doubt, we may take this expression either from 1 or 2. But what is easy, that is important. Which equation has coefficient variable as 1, that should be better considered. Here x coefficient 2, x coefficient 3, y coefficient 2, but here it is 1. Easy to express. If suppose in R we have some coefficient, in that case you may prefer any one. That is our wish. Now what is the use after substituting? Mean after substitution of one variable in terms of another and writing in another equation, that equation become totally converted into a linear equation in one variable. See how many variables involved in this? Only one, that is x. That is the use of this substitution. So 3x minus 2 into 5, 10, minus into minus plus 2 to the 4x minus 4. If I transpose it to opposite side, that equals to plus 4. Now like terms, 3x plus 4x becomes 7x. Minus 10, transpose it to opposite side, 4 plus 10. Now 4 plus 10, result 14. 7x equal 14. Now see, x equal to, if you transpose it to opposite side, 14 by 7. 7 1 ones are 7 twos are. So what is the value of x? 2. Have you understood? First we have represented one variable in terms of another. Then we substituted in the another equation. After substitution, it will convert into a linear equation in one variable. From that you will get a one variable value. Means one variable value. How much you got? 2. Then substitute that in any one of the equations to get next variable value. Next variable is what now? Y. If I substitute this x in equation 1, okay na? So substitute x equals to 2 in equation 1 or 2 yours way. Suppose 2 consider, no problem. So 3x value what we have got? 2 minus 2 into y we need to find, so keep as it is. Okay na? X obtained. Next minus 4 equals to 0. 3 2s are 6. Minus 2 into y 2y. Minus 4 if I transpose it to opposite side equals to 4. Now minus 2y equals to variable. Transpose numerals to opposite side. 4 plus 6 become minus 6. Have you understood? 4 minus 6. Now minus 2y. 4 minus 6 how much? 4 is smaller number, 6 is larger number having minus symbol. So 6 minus 4 actually 2, but minus 6, so minus. Now we need to find only y. Y equal minus 2 divided by minus 2. Minus cancel 2. So what will we get? 1. So therefore y equals to 1. So finally we have got the solution. X equals to 2 and y equals to 1. This is the solution by the method of substitution. By the method of substitution. What are the steps involved? Express one variable in terms of the other variable from any one of the equations. Then write that value other than the obtained one. Means here it is obtained from 1. Then substitute it in 2. Then it will convert into a single variable. After getting that single variable value, substitute in any one of the equations to get another value of the variable. After that you will get solution for x and y. This is the method of substitution. Next, coming to method of elimination. Method of elimination. Okay, next method is elimination method. So let us consider a problem based upon elimination. In the elimination method, they will give two equations for us. Let us take them as equation 1 and equation 2. Method of elimination. Again, from the method name itself, we have clue. What is that? Elimination means out of the two variables, we need to eliminate one variable. That way elimination, how can we do? Let us see here. So, in equation 1 and equations 2, which variable you want to eliminate? Means what variable first we want to eliminate? You need to observe those coefficients. Suppose if I want to eliminate x variable here, means what are the coefficients of x in equation 1 and equation 2? 3 and 2. So take the LCM of 3 and 2. So LCM of x coefficients 3 and 2 is 6. 3 and 2 is 6. Now after taking LCM of x coefficient, we need to equate x coefficient in equation 1 and 2 to that LCM value of 6. So how can we do? To get here and here 6, how it will possible? Actually LCM divided by first equation x coefficient 3. 6 by 3 what will we get? 2. 2 equation multiply with on both sides with 2. Next here also 6 by 2 what will we get? 3. Multiply the equation on both sides with 3. That is the meaning here. So 6 equation 1 into 2 because 6 by 3. Now it implies multiplying both sides with 2. 2 of 3x plus 2y equals to 11. That is the some mistake. What is that I am saying? Multiply both sides. Then only that equation will be balanced. Otherwise it is not a balanced one. That is the meaning and important step. Don't get forget. Next 2 3s are 6x. 2 2s are 4y. Next 11 2s are 20. Then take this result as third one because it is modified, newer one. Next equation 2 multiplied with what? 3. Then take it. So 3 of second equation 2x plus 3y equals to same 4 into that 3. Now see 3 2s are 6x, 3 3s are 9y, 4 into 3 12. Take it as equation 4. So now given equation modified into equations 3 and 4. If we observe these 3 and 4, observe x and y coefficients. If we 6x mean coefficient 6 6 equal, no, like that. Y coefficients are different. Now come to elimination. Which variable will be eliminated here? X. How? Both are the same. Subtract one equation from another to get the elimination. So here elimination. To do elimination we are doing 3 minus 4. Why only we do minus? Why don't we plus? We may do plus also. When if the symbols are same, do subtraction. If the symbols are different, suppose if it is with minus, it is with plus, in that case do addition. Remember that, okay na? So here they are same symbol, that's why I am prefer for subtraction. 3 minus 4. So let us take 3. Equation 3 is what? 6x plus 4y equals to 22. Equation 4, 6x plus 9y equals to 12. So what we are doing? Subtraction. If you do subtraction, the symbols of second equation, fourth equation, in front of that we are minus. So this is the fourth one now. So change the symbol, minus, minus, plus means minus. If it is minus, plus, like that. 6x minus 6x cancel. 4y minus 9y. 4y minus y means this is y you will get out 4 minus 9 means difference between 9 and 4 is 5, but 9 is with larger number, symbol minus, is equals to 22 minus 12. Difference between 22 minus 12 is what? 10 now. But 22 bigger plus, that's why you are getting plus 2. Now to get y equal 10, here minus 5 multiply, if I take opposite side minus, divided. So divided by minus 5, you will get 2 by minus 1, nothing but minus 2. Therefore y equals to minus 2 plus 2. So one variable value we have got it by the method of elimination. After that same procedure, after getting one variable, how we are doing? Substituting. Similar here also we made it. Otherwise again if you want to do elimination here, next case you have to equalate y coefficients same by the same method and eliminate y variable to get x. But that is somewhat more lengthy method. Instead of that, after once if we get one variable value, substitute in any of the equations to get another one. Let us see here. I am substituting y equal minus 2 in. Here this substitution also you may do in either of these 1 2 or 3 4 any. So let us consider suppose 1 only in equation 1. So what is that? 1 implies 3x plus 2 into y value what we have got, minus 2 equals to 11. So 3x plus into minus 2 to the 4 equals to 11. We need to get only a transfer minus 4 to opposite side, 11 plus 4. How much it is? 15. To get x transpose 3 to opposite side, 15 divided by, because it is multiplying, 3. 3 ones are 3 5s. So 5. So therefore x equals to 5. Okay, now after getting y value, if you substitute any equation, you will get. Either if you substitute 2 also, you will get same 5, or 3 or 4, whatever. Understood? Therefore, we have tried by the elimination method, we have get solution x comma y. You better try like this. X comma y is what? 5 comma minus 2. 5 comma minus 2. And also one more important, in some cases, find the solution by substitution or elimination method, and they will also check that solution. In that checking, what you have to do? After getting x and y, substitute in the given equations. If you substitute, LHS and RHS should be equal. Or if they won't have, if you have any doubt regarding your solution, you may substitute your solution in the given equations. Both LHS and RHS should be satisfied. So this is the method of substitution and elimination in what? Algebraic method. In the next class, we will discuss about graphical method. So my dear students, you should do the problems based upon these two topics to get more practice, means more fast in this topic. So I hope you all understood. Thank you.